What's affiliate marketing? You sell other people's products for a commission and it gets easier and easier. Here's an infographic to introduce you to affiliate marketing. Basically, you put your link on your website or blog or paid promotion, and the customer clicks on the link and transactions are tracked. You get a commission and a regular payment in your bank account. At ClickBank, you will choose to get your commissions either by check through the mail or direct into a bank account. The question is, will you stick with your frustrating job or create a side hustle?
Check this out. You can make enough money to be financially free working for yourself. Imagine how amazing it would be to be able to spend more time with your family instead of having to drive, to wake up an alarm each day, to drive to work, to deal with people at work that you wouldn't even be friends with in real life. Imagine how great it would be if you could quit that. Imagine how great it would be if maybe you're retired and you could earn extra money to supplement your income and live a more full, a more experienced life, travel. You can do all this when you have an online business to support you. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need to talk to anybody to do sales. You don't need a social media following. You don't need to hire employees. All you need is a computer and internet connection to do this. Now, if you want to sign up for this training, we're taking limited numbers of students. If you're seeing this, you want to register immediately because this will be going fast. You can register. There should be a link either above or below or to the side of this video. Make sure you sign up for this training and you will be given more information about when your training time is so you can get started.